Harvard of the Nordics, the Stockholm School of Economics.
Yeah, you'll make real relationships there.
Legit yesterday. And this is no fake thing. You know all them YouTubers on the ground, they doing a bunch of fake S.
Financial markets make the world work. CITI moves $4 trillion a day within their networks. Now, I was fortunate enough to get the Spring Internship program at CITI. So, welcome to World of White episode something, I don't know.
Saying you love me, then show me you do. I got something in my trackies and it's only for you, girl. Holding you down, I'ma give you the truth. We could kick it in the truck or we could touch in the coupe. Saying you love me, then show me you do. I got something in my trackies and it's only for you, girl. Holding you down, I'ma give you the truth. We could kick it in the truck or we could touch in the coupe. They say a hug from your mother's like £1 million. I hug my mother when I finally made £1 million. Friends that used to were loons are thinking, why don't he quit? Man, are baffled that I switched it, now I'm fully legit. I push big whips, make big deals, bought a big stick. Big gal, see them set good, cause they're big thick. Grey Nike tech, big print from my big shack. I'm a big prick and I could be a rider. Swap your bag for designer. Shout Kim Jones, it's a minor. When life gave me lemons, I put batteries in my Tanita. Brother, I ain't never been a whiner. I like girls that could converse, paint words, top 3, but she not second and she ain't third. I run it up and she run it up, yeah, she make hers drive me.
I'm filming.
Wow, that's nuts! My first board crack.
Wait, yeah, wait, shit, audio.
Okay, if there's any skateboard company that will sponsor me, just let me know. But I gotta go back to trading the markets now, or my CITI Spring Internship, early morning shoot, which this vlog is all about. Let's go. Maximos, yes. Sorry for dragging you out of bed at like 5 AM.
It's fine. Fitness is my passion, health is my passion, as you can tell.
Wow, that was impactful. Thank you, Ite. The CITI Spring Intern program is essentially a way for first or second year graduates to get an insight into the world of CITI and the business it's doing. From what I can tell this far, because right now shooting this, I'm on my second day, it's very much a strong community, super diverse. Worth mentioning is that this is obviously not sponsored by CITI in any way, shape or form. This is just me and my opinion of my experience on this digital spring internship with CITI. Usually it's done in person in the UK at their office in London. That's not the case because of the ongoing pandemic. But they've done a good job this far to keeping it interactive.
Amazing. I'm dying to know, how did everyone...
You got a girl that the whole world wants, but she only wants you. That's a whole world stunt. We should get it.
It's worth mentioning, and as I said, I'm only on day 2. But banking is about providing opportunities and enabling companies to grow, and CITI is very much ESG focused, environmental, sustainable, government. Those 3 pillars are super important, and whether I'm in school, whether I'm talking to businesses, or now when I'm at CITI, these things come up time after time after time. But yeah, we're gonna get more into everything. So I actually just realized that instead of me going through all the various things that CITI does, because, you know, 200,000 employees and they're doing a lot of things, just check out my bro Afzal Hussein on YouTube instead, and you'll get information in regards to what different areas of an investment bank does. That's a lot better explained than I could ever explain it. The thing I want to share before we move on is that they've spent throughout 2020 $1.8 billion in product development. Essentially, we just got thrown in the deep end in a 4-hour session with Python. Super interesting. And we had a really good teacher, coach. I don't know what you say, from Amplify Trading. So very interesting. Difficult. Coding is sometimes a little frustrating. If you ever written a line of code, you know what I'm talking about. Anyhow, we're doing some pitches now. And on that, Spring Week is with CITI is not officially over, even though the modules are done. Thing is, tomorrow is the big presentation. I'm doing a stock pitch. Thank you, CITI, and thank you to everyone involved, and thank you to my dear Spring Week classmates, peers of 2021. Peace. I love all of you guys, and I'm thankful for the people that I've gotten to speak with. A lot of us did not get to speak, but let's make sure we stay connected.
Take mine. I barely drink, but you know when it comes to rum, then I'll go. Take mine. They keep on pouring, they know I'ma always go for it. Cause I'm a rude boy, nah, nah, nah. You got that shape like la la la. I make a scream.